20 years of civil war.
There's nothing simple about it.
Adir's well-trained. Teamed up, kidnapped, doesn't matter. He took the gas to Russia, John.
Yeah, he did that without Katana's help.
Got the network and the manpower.
How can you blame him, right?
Unofficially, no. But this is bigger than Hadir now. We've got two options.
Well, we warn Moscow.
Or we let Mother Russia have a taste of her own medicine.
No, a lot of innocent people are gonna die.
At the hands of a Western asset.
Okay, so let's cut to the chase.
What do you suggest?
A business trip.
Unsanctioned?
Black.
Who's your team?
Some old comrades.
And the sergeant?
He's ready.
I can get you in after that. You're on your own. Host nation weapons only.
Leave it to me. It's a hell of a view, Nikolai.
Was the capital before Moscow?
The good old days.
I got two on the door.
More alcohol inside.
Vehicle inbound. Fortune.
Good spot. Parking here sucks.
There's the butcher in the yellow shirt.
Blaster from the embassy.
No gas.
No Hadir.
Easy shot.
Tempting.
Oh, how fast? The butcher gets us to Hadir.
Or the gas attack goes off.
Well, if that happens, then we're all fucked. Let's gear up. Get evil. Clock's ticking.
This way.
What's the time frame?
Hours or less. You get the gear?
Best I could do on a short notice. Suppressors, ammo, no flashbangs.
Nice job, Nick. 40 cal hollow points.
150 grain. Your favorite.
Conceal it for now.
Rally at the warehouse.
Rog, bring the package.
On my way, Captain.
I know you want another shot at the butcher.
No grave deep enough for that sick bastard, sir.
You'll have your chance. All right, but right now, we need the butcher alive.
Привет.
Привет.
Доброе утро.
That's not bad.
That's all I got.
We sweep the guards up so they can't alert the others, then move in on the rear door.
Rog.
Guns on my signal, not before. Easy, easy, mate. We've got permits, right? Show them. Keep it tiny, Garrick. Nikolai, trash in the alley.
I brought bags.
You think of everything. Check your shots. Butcher gets us to Hadir. We need to breathe it until he does.
This is retaliation. Today, the pain and suffering is not ours, but theirs.
There he is.
We give
Affirm.
special thanks to our
Yellow
new
behind the
soldier,
table.
whose strong
soldier.
will is our good fortune. If the wolf is alive, he'll be proud of you.
All yours, Garrick. Do not hit the
And
butcher.
if he's gone, we deliver.
Butcher is running!
Clear! All clear! Get after him!
Don't let them follow! Behind the bar!
Bullshit! Got your six!
Last call, boys.
Don't let him get away!
Check your fire!
Take it!
Down! Street doors open!
Butcher's on the run!
Fucking hell!
Nikolai! Target is moving south. Stand by for extra.
Copy. I'm tracking you. The gunshots, of course.
Stay with us. Out, Pod, stay on him. I'll circle around for intercept.
I'll take your head. Motherfucker, you hear me? They die because of you.
Sergeant!
Oh, good, sir! Target's on the move! Riverside!
Butcher's running for it. Get him. Step it up. He's fallen. What's the plan? There, just beyond the fence. Nick, he's cutting through the cafe, Riverside. South, where are you?
Inbound, Captain.
Watch for reinforcements.
Where the hell are they coming from?
Molotov, heads up!
You getting away?
I'll find a way through. He's heading for the river. Nikolai!
We got him.
It's hard to run with concussion, no?
That's only a scratch. Get the fucking back.
Who are you? So my men can send your head home to your families.
Fuck off, shitpouch.
Small problem. What?
Engine is a little bit...
Cover us, Carl. Line them up.
Where are the chemicals? Up your fucking Russian ass. You can't hurt me, you weak piece of shit. But you, Captain, oh, you can do better than that. You think I forgot your face, SAS? Huh? Or you, Sergeant?
Get your head in the game, Sergeant.
We need to break this bastard, Captain.
We're about to. Nikolai, where's the package?
Pulling in now, Captain.
Okay. You go to Nikolai. You get a package. You come back here. Right?
Sergeant Garrick, package is in the back.
What is it?
Truth serum.
Please,
Bargaining
please let us go. We know nothing.
For negotiation. Perhaps the butcher will have a change of heart.
Mama, what's happening? Please, just don't hurt my son. We'll do what you say. Here, Mama. Don't be afraid, huh? Your mama's brave, boy. Where are we going, Mama? We are going to talk to some men, and then we will go home, okay? What you're doing is unforgivable. We are innocent people. I demand to know why we are here.
Kyle, you don't have to do this. You in or out?
I'm in, sir.
Good. Hand him off to you.
No, please.
Usa. Mamoon.
Baba.
Careful with them, you son of a bitch!
You want the gloves off? They're off.
What did you do? Your own son is here, your own child.
Oh, he's got no problems with hurting children, isn't that right, Sergeant?
None.
Shut up.
What have you done? You promised you'd keep this away from us.
Captain, I can't do this.
You're excused. Pick it up, Sergeant.
What are you going to do to us?
Nobody's going to do anything to you, my loves. Sergeant, if you hurt my family, I will burn your fucking corpse. Do you hear me? Do you hear? Hey, no! Hey!
What the hell?
You pulled the hammer, Sergeant, not me. Rest assured, I wouldn't let the sergeant brandish a loaded weapon indoors, unless he had to. Now, last chance, where's the gas?
Hey, no, leave him. Listen to me. Karitka Theater.
Lie.
No, I am not, I swear
Lying.
to you, I'm not. The gas is there, Karitka Theater, I swear to you.
Where's Hadia?
The young blood? You're too late to stop him. Go, Sergeant. Save some fucking Russians. General Barkov already be dead.
Dear, he's going after Barkov. We're done with him. You take him in it.
Russia and the West will go to war.
Gas is at the Karetka
Leave
Theater.
them alone.
Securing, call it in, you know the drill.
Will do. Cruiser is yours. It will get you out of the city.
Diaz at Barkov's estate. He's gonna kill him.
Один, входим!
Стоять, не двигаться!
You little fucks! Untie me!
Контактов нет. Вижу химикаты. Внимание всем! Заложники безопасности. Химикаты целый. Мясник здесь.
Принято. Расчеты их им защите уже в пути.